Hey guys, Jipper here, and welcome to the second game for spooky season. Uh, you may already guess what it is, but if you haven't, then you won't be expecting this because we are playing. I mean, you already saw it in the title. I don't know why I do these dramatic reveals waiting for the title card. It's already in the video title. Choo-Choo Charles! We're playing Choo-Choo Charles. It released on the Switch, and I bought it because I have trouble controlling my impulses when it comes to buying things sometimes.
I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising.
Oh,
No,
something's
trust me,
happened.
You'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real big. So many friends. And even my own son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction your city's ever seen. And you can help an old friend. Yes, meet me on the docks at sunset. I hope you're ready for a little monster hunting.
Alright. The game autosaves as you play. Pick up where you left off every time. That's good.
Yes, sir. They call him Charles. Half train, half giga-spider from hell.
Yeah.
We've been planning his demise for some time now, and have nearly everything in order. Just a few people to meet and places to see. Simple errands, you know. Yes, sir. Welcome to Aranerum, the
I have
island
control.
where miners dig their own graves.
Oh.
Stay close. Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here. There's a train shed at the top of the hill. One of the train operators was killed early on by the beast, so his old engine should be in there. If we can get to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey. Stay close. We don't want to be exposed for too long.
I'm gonna be honest. I know it's weird. Holy cow, he took off. But I've actually been really afraid to play this game. I started my own playthrough, but I have not finished it. I'm afraid for two reasons. One, I'm afraid this will take me the rest of the month because I'm not great at video games sometimes. And two, I'm gonna be honest, it actually kind of scares me.
It's locked. Not to worry, we can still find a way in. There's a small shack up the path that might have a key inside. Take this map, I just marked the location on it. See if the key is up there, and I'll look around some more down here.
I do like the map system here. Aranerum, huh? Quite the island, huh? Okay, Y to jump. Oh, wait. I'm also worried this will go too fast. But you know what? I'm gonna try to do as much as I can.
Good on you! Looks like you found it. Open up that door and lead the way.
My epic train. Guess I gotta talk to him, huh?
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. She's an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to inspect the train's exterior. Why don't you take a peek inside? See what we got to work with.
Alright.
Well,
Okay.
the exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be intact. That gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island, but it sure looks fun to use. We can light up Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming. Are you
Yep.
ready to take this thing for a spin?
Let's do it, Eugene.
Yeah, baby! We're coming for you, Charles! Do you hear that? It's him! It's him! Get to the gun! Light him up! Light him up! Careful! Don't let the gun overheat! He's not taking enough damage! Get some headshots!
No! Eugene! That was his name, right? I forgot his name. Yeah, it was
This
Eugene.
isn't how things were supposed to end. I thought we could still fight like the old days. Yes, sir. Easy in, easy out. You'll need to do more than I thought, but I don't have time to explain. Find the eggs. Find my son.
Well, we'll do that, Eugene. We'll do that. I have the opportunity to do something really screwed up. Where did his body go? A proper burial. Okay, well... Yeah, well, nothing happened. Never mind. Okay. Optional mission. Optional. Weapon mission. Required mission. Okay, so I'll go along that way. I do really like this game's mechanics, though. I like how it's somewhat clunky. Wait, where were they before? Oh. Okay, yeah, that's where I want to go. Alright, Eugene, I'll find the eggs and your son. Although I have no idea what you mean by the find the eggs, but I'll do my best. You know, I'll figure it out. Okay, there's an NPC coming up. Hello there.
Eugene told us we'd have a newcomer soon. I suppose that would be you. There's some scrap metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train. Here's the key. And although the balcony is right behind me, I'll just mark it on your map anyway. As a side note, talk to anyone around here, and they'll do whatever they can to help. Anyone not wearing a mask, that is. Check out the balcony and take whatever you can use. Good luck with everything.
Thank you. Ooh, that's the witch. The witch of the swamp. I'll come back to that mission. That'll be its own episode, not the first episode. Just minor stuff today. Alright, well I know where scrap is now. Mission completed! So yeah, I'm gonna try to 100% this game. But if it feels like it's taking too long, I'll head back. Oh wait, I don't want to go that way. Alright, I have all the scrap. Let me just hop this fence, hop in, and let's do some upgrading. Oh, okay. I can move ahead a little bit further. Oh! No, I can't. Whoops. Hello there.
Look, kid, I know you're supposed to be some fancy-pants monster hunter, but you can't earn my respect without making yourself useful. One of Warren's goons dumped a locked chest in the yard last night. After beating on it for a few hours, I didn't break anything but a sweat. I got some lock picks, but I don't know how to use them. Here, take them. If you can get that chest open, you'll earn my respect. I might just give you some scraps to help improve your train.
Okay. I know scrap can just kind of appear around. Damn it. Ooh, lore. Can I not get into this train? I'm sure there would be some scrap in there. I just need some scrap to repair my train. After all, my train health reaches 0. That means I'll be using my own health. Whenever I do battle with Charles, and that does not seem very appealing. I know Charles can just kind of appear, and that's why I'm so scared of playing this game. But also, I know the consequences of dying aren't too harsh. You know, you just lose scrap. That's it. There's actually something inside these cars. These train cars. More scrap. Let's go. I get my money's worth. Well, not money, but you know what I mean. I'm really... my time's worth, I guess, would be a better way of putting it.
Well, Fancy Fingers here got the chest unlocked. That's an odd-looking piece of junk you found inside there. Bit of a letdown, to be frank. But you earned my respect, so here's some scraps, like I promised.
I know there's also a Slender the 8 Pages thing somewhere. It might be there. I don't know. I'm not looking forward to doing that one. Okay. Oh, I have plenty of scrap now. Okay. I need to get... oh, wait. Guy needs literally right here.
The monster hunter has arrived, I see. This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles, but he retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed. We believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however.
Ah, I see.
Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines. Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death. Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III, has placed armed guards inside each mine to protect the eggs.
Okay.
There's an egg in the mine just down the rail. Here's the key to the mine.
Okay, if it's required, I'll do it. But I don't want to do it today. Oh, I know what's happening here. I remember. Oh.
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you can see, that has slightly backfired. Nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it. Shoot dang. I would love to save the shed, though. If a flamethrower somehow still works after the fire dies down, well, you can take it. I'd assume you're the monster hunter that folks have been expecting, so a weapon like this could come in handy.
Yep. Let me take care of that for you then. Oh, more scrap. I'll take it. Ouch.
Using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius. Woohoo! Here, take old bug spray. Cause of this chaos. I don't want to see it anywhere near here again. Shoot dang.
Alright. Anything else in here that could be useful? A little bit of scrap. Would you look at that? Okay, and now my train is right over here. Perfect. There's even some more scrap on the way. Things could not be going any better. Gonna equip that for now, and I'm going to upgrade my train. I'm gonna upgrade the damage level already at level 4. Look at that. Wonderful. And now I need to head up this way. Toward the southern mine. Yeah, it looks like scrap just kind of spawns all around, you know? Like, it's pretty easy to find if you're looking for it. Alright then, well, to the mine. Oh wait. We see from Charles in here at least, but they're guards. Oh, nice. Not really what I was looking for, though. I'm here looking for an egg, I think it was.
You're in the wrong place, my friend. I'm gonna shoot you.
I think you already did. I think you missed that second time, though. I'm gonna keep running now. Oh, I got caught. Oh, I got caught again. He's still after me. Caught in a bad spot right now. Wonderful. Is he still chasing me? Yep. Time to go. Time to go.
No one can hear you screaming out here.
Well. Hey, consolation prize. Alright, well now I know I'm safe unless I hear whistling. Alright. Cool. I'm gonna head back now. No one's after me, so I think that's a success. Haven't died yet. I know I will. Alright, time to go back to that lady's house. Where is that? I'm just gonna pretend I know where I'm going. I think it's not that one. That one. Right there, on the other side of the bridge. Okay, let me move forward a little bit. Well, okay. That was pointless. It's better to just keep moving forward. And then I'll make my way back around to which lady's place. Hey, I got through the mine pretty good though. If I do say so myself. Which I do. Well... yeah, I think I'm going to call it here for today, guys. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!